bring something to eat.
Rinku, look at all these kittens. No, the dog will bother the kittens. Let's take them home.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Why are these kittens meowing so much? Seems...
Like these kittens are hungry.
Yeah, let's feed them. Oh, it's just one kitten. Where did the other kittens go? There's one.
Looks like the others are inside.
Quick! Catch the kittens! Meow meow, where did the kitten go? Come here, come here, come here. Water, water. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, work! Come here, come here, come here. Take money. Oh no! How do we get this kitten down from the cupboard? Idea, come here, come here. Now where? Will you run, gotcha?
Come here, come here. Where did the kitten go? Come here, come here. Stop. Take this. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Take this. Come here. Come here. Now, how to get this kitten down? Come down. Take this. Come down. Take this. Quickly move the kitten. I can't see anything. Stop. Take this. Come here. Come here. This kitten is enjoying a bath. Gotcha.
Meow meow, come here, come here. Take this. Where did the kitten? Go? Oh, the kitten is hiding here. Gotcha. These kittens are so naughty. Let's build a house for these kids. Oh, they'll run around again. Let's make this house for you. Let's give the kids some milk now. Let's play with these kids now. Here, kids, play with the ball. What's wrong with these kittens? Why aren't they playing? Seems like they're missing their mom. Let's find their mom. Where could their mom? P, look, there's their mom. Go, kids, go to your mom. My dear kids, where did you go? I searched for you so much. We took these kids to our home. These dogs were bothering you. Thank you so much.
Give it a like if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe. Like.